gonna go through the middle of this. 2 rocks. Out there. All right, all forward. Dig in. Dig in. Get in there. Go. Keep going, harder. Keep going. Keep going. And stop. Everybody smile. Got a paddle high five, everybody. Paddle high five. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna tell you guys something. What? The line we just did. Yeah. No one does that line. We did. Yeah.
We just did it.
Seriously. That's from me to you guys.
Nobody ever does that line.
You know?
Yeah. On either side.
All right.
Fun.
Yeah, it was pretty deep in the middle.
Yeah. So those 2 hydraulics right there are known for flipping these boats. Big time. And so, this is my last trip. What the hell? There you go. Well done, team.
Let's see what the orange.
That's why we did the high five, is it? Because we just
I think that has to do with something.
yeah.
Well, first time ever down the middle, Jimbo?
On that one.
It's pretty fun, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, well.
Shows you how big those holes are. Oh, did they fall in?
Watch them do it.
Oh no.
They look like they're there.
Oh, really? I saw them go this way.
Well, they have their own ideas. Let's put it that way.
Are they? I don't know.
Hello, man.
That's right.
I watched them.
Bye-bye.
Well, they probably disappeared underneath.
They probably went into what we call the trough.
Yeah, we're up to 5.
I still don't see them.
They're behind the insect.
Okay, that's his problem.
There's a lot of problems. $1 million question right there. So Jimbo.